In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your PAN card in your Payoneer account. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or completing your verification, submitting your PAN card is an essential step, so let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Payoneer website. Open your web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Payoneer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Payoneer account. This is your central hub where you can access all the features Payoneer offers. Next, let's move to your profile. You can find your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find various options related to your account settings and personal information. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is where you can manage a lot of the administrative aspects of your account, including the documents required for verification. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area of your account, as it's where you'll make most of the necessary changes or updates. Now, let's proceed to the Verification Center. You'll find this option under the Settings menu. Click on Verification Center, and this is where you'll submit your PAN card. The Verification Center is designed to help streamline the process of verifying your identity, which is crucial for compliance with financial regulations and ensuring the security of your account. Once you're in the Verification Center, you'll need to look for the option to submit your PAN card. However, if it's not visible, don't worry. It might not appear for everyone immediately, as it depends on your specific account requirements. If the option is available, follow the prompts to upload a clear image of your PAN card. Make sure that the image is clear and all details are visible. This will help avoid any delays in the verification process. If for some reason the option to submit your PAN card does not appear, it could be due to your account type or regional settings. In such cases, it's best to contact Payoneer's customer support for further assistance. They can provide guidance specific to your account and ensure that you have all the necessary information to complete your verification. And that's it! You've now learned how to submit your PAN card in your Payoneer account. Remember, this step is crucial for keeping your account in good standing and ensuring you can continue to enjoy seamless transactions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.